Freedom of assembly, definition and explanation. In the realm of diversity, equity, and inclusion, DEI, understanding and addressing freedom of assembly is crucial. Freedom of assembly is a significant aspect of this discourse, but what exactly does it entail? Freedom of assembly is a fundamental human right, allowing individuals to gather publicly or privately for a common purpose, often to express opinions, discuss ideas, or advocate for change. This right is critical in promoting dialogue, strengthening democracy, and addressing social injustices. Freedom of assembly refers to the right of individuals or groups to come together peacefully for political, social, religious, or cultural purposes. It is enshrined in various international human rights instruments, such as Article 20 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and Article 21 of the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, ICCPR. This right underpins the ability of communities to engage in public discourse, protest injustices, and celebrate cultural identities. In the context of diversity, equity, and inclusion, DEI, freedom of assembly serves as a vital tool for marginalized groups to voice their concerns and seek systemic changes. It fosters an inclusive society by enabling diverse groups to advocate for equity and representation. Without this right, the fight against discrimination and inequality would face significant obstacles. For instance, movements like Black Lives Matter or Pride parades leverage freedom of assembly to draw attention to critical issues, inspire collective action, and promote social equity. A well-known example is the Women's March, which takes place annually in cities worldwide. The event gathers people of all genders to advocate for gender equality, reproductive rights, and other social justice causes. This assembly showcases the power of collective action in amplifying marginalized voices and influencing policy changes. Freedom of assembly is not merely a legal right, but a cornerstone of inclusive and equitable societies. It empowers individuals and communities to challenge injustice, celebrate diversity, and advocate for systemic change. By safeguarding this right, we foster a world where every voice can contribute to building a just and inclusive future.